You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. Most families compare only two numbers when deciding to ship or sell: shipping quotes versus resale value. That comparison is actually incomplete. The real comparison is shipping costs versus full replacement cost at destination, and those numbers are rarely close. Replacement pricing overseas often includes VAT, import duties, higher logistics cost. A sofa that costs $1,200 in the US might cost significantly more abroad once taxes and delivery are applied. Delivery and setup also adds up quickly. Multiple vendors, long lead times, assemble fees, elevator scheduling, access restrictions. Furnishing a home from scratch takes time and coordination. And then there's appliance compatibility. Voltage differences, plug types, and kitchen dimensions vary. Some appliances have to be replaced. Others could work. Strategic selection is key. Currency exchange and inflation matters too. If you're moving to a stronger currency region, your purchasing power may shrink. And finally, the hidden costs of selling at a loss. Selling a $2,000 dining table for $500, then rebuying a similar quality one for $2,500, equivalent overseas, is not a neutral exchange. It's compounded loss. Before making a decision based on incomplete math, get a full comparison. Visit our website or give us a call for a structured consultation. The right information changes everything.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.